I've got some package. First thing I saw when we got home. So guys, let's open it together. Hi everyone, this is MD168. Today's video is unboxing and I got this from the mail. I finally will open this one. So let's see where it came from. Diba? Give me some clue. Ano kaya? What is inside? She is so very thoughtful of sending me this thing. This is the first surprise I saw in the mailbox when we first came. So guys, I think you already know, but it's still exciting to unbox this. Diba? I wonder what's inside. Oh, it's Christmas in my house. Parmesan cheese straws. OMG, a little snack. I would like this. That one. And oh my god, what is this? Oh, a hard rock. Look at that. It's gonna be a pin here, limited edition. A pen for the, and a card and a sticker. OMG. You are so good, Miss K. Now you know who. Now you know who now. Now, alam nyo na talaga, ang daming sticker. Ang daming sticker. Kayak 7 Seas. There's another one. So nice of you. Another one, so 4. And Happy Valentine's Day! Good friends are like the stars. You don't always see them, but you know they're always there. You got it right, Miss K. You are so sweet. So I think she been asking me before when we were in Arizona, and she asked me, when can you go home? When are you going home? And how long will be there? Blah blah blah. And we always catching each other's answer. So anyway, what else inside? Oh my god, she gave us a Mr. Beast treat. Oh, Mr. Beast. Look at that, Mr. Beast. Oh my god, I'm gonna be Beast. Wow, Miss K. And something smells good. Wild Rose. Wild Rose Rose Bar. You must have a lot of endorsement, Miss K, and you're sharing it with us. Am I right? Smells good, guys. And there's a sweet thing. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you always for your warm greeting and humor. Haha. True friends are never apart. Maybe in the distance, but never in heart. Helen Keller. Oh, very nice. That's a sweet words, Miss K, that you picked for me. So that's the sweet thought for today. So guys, it's so very nice of Miss K to send packages to her fellow YouTubers and supporters. And bless your heart, Miss K, for sharing what you got. And it's always a pleasure for every one of us who really loves you too, because of your very supportive effort and always there. And we always love to see your videos too, because you are very adventurous and very brave. Some of the adventures you did, I can't do it, especially like climbing and whatever. So it's so nice of you to send me this sweet stuff, and for sure I will be enjoying having a snacks of this and this. And this soap makes me white. No, I don't need to be whitening. I love my morena skin. So anyway, I just want to say thank you guys, and thank you very much, MsK Kayak 7 Seas. If you are not subscribed, please connect to her channel, and she is very supportive. And once again, thank you very much, MsK Kayak 7 Seas. Don't forget, and see you guys around, and thank you also for following my and supporting my channel. So see you on my next vlog. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye. Look at that Parmesan. I was thinking if I will wait for Valentine's Day to unbox. But it's all good. I'm just excited to share it with you. Diba? Guys, I'm gonna try this. I'm kind of hungry now, so let me try this sweet treat. Parmesan cheese straws. Ali Dong, you wanna try, Dong? I have something for you from MsK. Let's try this little snack. Oh, look at this guy. I need some coffee. I need some Starbucks coffee. Han, you wanna try? It's Parmesan cheese straws. Here, darling. It's from MsK.
Oh,
You wanna say hi?
let me try.
Come here.
I don't look very nice.
No, you so always look good.
Are you alive?
Yes.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
MsK.
Thank you, MsK.
Oh, nice.
Very good. I like
Thank
those.
you, darling. I have some Mr. Beast too. You're gonna
Very
be
nice.
Beast. Will you be Beast?
Yeah. Tastes
Anyway,
good.
yummy. Honey, let's buy some Starbucks iced coffee
Right now?
in a little bit. Anyway, guys, thank you very much, MsK, and everybody there. So see you around. Once again, thank you for watching.